Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I received a package in the mail from Pur Cosmetics. My order has finally gotten here. I actually placed this order on March 19th and it is March 27th. So it actually took a little bit of time for this to get here. And normally when I order with Pur Cosmetics, I don't have to wait more than 7 days for my package to arrive. It sometimes comes sooner. But this time, not only was it late getting here, but it was also dinged with customs, duties, and taxes. So I actually ended up having to pay $7 and change in taxes, and then of course your standard $10 handling fee. Because in order for them to take this box here and move it to this counter over here, it costs $10. I don't friggin' get it, but whatever. I live in a country where I get taxed out of the hoo-ha. I was super excited because after my amazing experience with the Creator palette, I wanted to order some of the other palettes that have come out. And so I picked up the Visionary palette as well as the Boxycharm collaboration with Pur Cosmetics. And here's a bonus for everyone who's watching. If you want to save 15% off of your next Pur Cosmetics order, you can use the code BEAUTY15. I guess this is one of their generic codes, so feel free to go ahead and use it. Although, why do I have a feeling that if you find an affiliate code, you save 20% and not 15%? So anyways, I'll leave the decision up to you. So what I'm planning on doing for this video is more of a first impressions. I'm going to apply a couple of shadows to my eyes. I'm going to show you these two palettes here and give you guys an idea of what I think. If you're interested in that, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I mean, really, it doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button. And hey, while you're at it, you know you're in the vicinity of the thumbs up button. There's only a thumbs up button, at least in my eyes, so please hit that thumbs up button as well. Good Lord, I'm not gonna be able to speak. Let's start off with the Visionary palette. I haven't looked at this. It's still in the bubble wrap. I simply cracked open the box so I could be ready to go when I started recording. There is the packaging, very similar to that of the Creator palette, which I like. I hope that's what the palette looks like too. And then when you take the palette out of the box, ooh, it looks nice. It's white packaging. It's got the silver logo over here. It says Pur and then Visionary. There's really nothing on the back except the little title there that says it's a 12-piece magnetic eyeshadow palette. What? I feel like this package does have the potential to get dirty very, very easily, but that's okay. I love how it has this, again, I don't know if you guys can hear that, this sort of raised box-like pattern to it. It's very similar to the Creator palette. Ooh, you crack it open. It's got a huge mirror that says, "Visionaries create what others only dream." How cute and cliche. You have a protective layer that you can take off, and there are all of your colors. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I think this formula is almost the same as the Creator palette. Yes! Haha, yes! Oh my gosh, I haven't been this excited in a while. Oh, beautiful. It's that nice velvet formula. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna take the color Leader, which is a beautiful gold color. Oh, you know I'm a sucker for a good gold. Ooh, this is a little bit powdery, so just be wary of that. Oh my god, oh, look at this purple over here. Hang on, let me dig into that sucker. Ooh, oh yeah, oh, that's a nice purple. What's that called? That is Optimist. I actually like that these are all labeled in here. And it did say that it was a magnetic palette, so as you guys can see, with each of the shadows, you can quickly pop them out, and I'm gonna try doing that. But they aren't labeled at the bottom of the pan, so if you do take them out, you may wanna get a little permanent marker and label them if you care about what they're called. But actually, this color Innovator, let me get my clean pinky finger. It's almost this really nice champagne color over here. Let me see what that looks like. You know how some people say love at first sight exists? I think I just experienced it with this color. I love you. Oh my God, you are stunning. Oh, you and I are gonna get along so well. Okay, before I continue on into that moment, ooh, I am definitely using this palette today. When I saw this palette online, I was really hoping it was gonna be the same formula as the Creator palette, and so far, that's exactly what it feels like. Now I'm just gonna crack open into the collaboration that Pur Cosmetics had with a Boxycharm. What is this? It's a no filter blurring photography primer. Don't really care about that. It comes with a nice little sleeve, this box, and it comes in plastic wrapping as well. And there it is. So this palette, like the Visionary palette, is white on the exterior, which again, you guys know what I'm gonna say. It's prone to get dirty. And it's got safety seals, which I certainly appreciate. And there, you guys can see it first. Boom! What do you think? Oh, okay. So I like the other palette more, but this one is really nice too. I feel like it's very summer appropriate. I like the pops of color down here. I think those are nice additions. And then you've got nice sort of coral tone colors up here, some mattes, metallic foils. What do you think? Should I swatch it? Yeah? Okay. Let's grab this color here called Naked. And ooh, that feels nice and creamy. It is a little bit powdery. Ooh, I'm just gonna blow that off. Let's grab Charmer, since that's a champagne color, and you know I love a champagne color. Ooh, crumbly as well. Continuing to blow all of the crap off. Let's go in for that teal, because you know what? That teal color, or blue, whatever you want to call it, looks pretty nice. But powdery again. And let's also grab the purple right next to it. Purple, oh my God, I really can't speak tonight. Anyways, there are the colors on my fingers. And let's swatch them. They are really, really pretty. They are a little powdery, so this is a formula that you may want to only use before you do your foundation, just so you don't get any fallout, or just wear some shadow shields, put some loose powder underneath your eyes, whatever you need to do to not get fallout and ruin your foundation. But who knows, maybe when you apply it to your eyes, you don't get any fallout. That's just what I'm seeing right now with some finger swatches. I'm gonna insert some swatches here so you guys can check out the palettes. I think they are absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to throw these onto my eyes now and try to create some sort of look. This Visionary palette is seriously calling my name. I think I have to use this one here. Let me zoom you in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alrighty, so the first color I'm gonna go in with is this one right here. It's called Idealist. And I'm just gonna take a Morphe M504 brush, tap into it, and there is kick up, so it is a little on the powdery side. Again, I don't really care about that. You know what I'm noticing right now? I'm looking in the mirror, and the tail end of this brow here, I don't know, for whatever reason, my hairs are starting to curl, so they're sort of flying all over the place. Please don't judge. They just have a mind of their own. I'm gonna continue building up that crease. So next I'm going to go into this purple color over here called Role Model. And I'm sorry that the lighting on my camera sort of goes in and out of darkness and light, but whenever I reflect this silver into my camera, there's some sort of automatic feature that I don't know how to turn off that readjusts the lighting. I don't know if that's an ISO thing or whatever, but if you guys know how to fix that, please let me know in the comments. Okay, I like this color. I'm just gonna throw my hair up real quick. Continuing with the crease, I'm gonna go into this darker purple color over here called Rebel. That's going on really, really nicely. It's blending really well. I'm having no issues with these matte colors. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm changing course slightly. I'm still gonna do a gradient on my eye, and what I mean by that is I'm gonna start in my inner corner and move out to my outer corner. And right in my inner corner, and just a little bit onto my lid, I'm gonna take this pink shimmer color over here called Girl Boss. I'm gonna dip into that color very lightly, and now start off in the inner corner. Get a really nice highlight going. Whoa, that is bright. Dang, you guys see that? Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna build it up a little bit because I almost wanna do a slight cat eye effect with that color. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe M204 flat sort of a paddle brush, and I'm going to go into the color CEO. So it's another shimmer. Oh, and that one has zero fallout on it. And that's the one that I'm going to put on my lid, almost to the end, but not quite. And now taking a Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm gonna go into this deeper purple shimmer over here. Now I normally don't like putting a shimmer in my outer corner, but I feel like it's gonna work for this look, or at least I hope it is. And this is another beautiful color. So it's not actually a metallic color. It definitely has more of a satin finish. And I'm just gonna wrap this into my crease a little bit too. Very, very lightly. I'm gonna go back into CEO and just re-intensify that center portion of my lid. And going back into Girl Boss, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm really feeling this look right now. Check it out. It's not bad, right? I really like it. And now for the lower lash line. I am gonna go into this brown color down here called Tycoon, and I'm going to very carefully place that along my lower lash line. Once I do that, I'm gonna use Role Model and Rebel, so these two colors over here, and I'm gonna smudge it all out. I'm now gonna do a little bit of liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. And here is the finished look. I really love the way everything turned out. The shadows all blended beautifully together. I think all of these colors look amazing as well. I couldn't be happier with this palette. I can definitely see myself using this palette over and over again. I really love all of these colors. I think they are stunning. They all applied beautifully to my lid with absolutely zero issues. As for the Pur and Boxycharm collaboration palette, I still need to play around with this. Obviously, I didn't use it in today's video, but I did like the smoothness of this formula. This formula actually did remind me a little bit more of the Etienne Ortega and Pur Cosmetics collaboration, but this formula here in this palette, in the Visionary palette that is, does remind me more of the formula in the Creator palette that I have. Pur Cosmetics is killing it right now. I am so happy with my purchases. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you can get your hands on this Visionary palette, go out, buy it. You will not be disappointed. It is stunning. I can't say the same for the Boxycharm collaboration yet because I haven't played around with it, but stay tuned for an update video, or maybe what I'll do is a tutorial with this palette here, play around with it, and let you guys know if it's worth the money. Although now that I think about it, if you guys receive Boxycharm, you probably already have this palette. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have played around with this palette, and if you have, what do you think? And that's gonna do it for this first impressions slash application, I guess, of the Pur Cosmetics Visionary palette, and I guess sneak peek and swatches of the Boxycharm collaboration with Pur. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment below. You can also follow me on all of my social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I'm gonna link everything for you in the description box below. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome day no matter where you are in the world. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.